Hello everyone. My aunt gave me a gift on my 9th birthday. I wrote my first program using it. Let me show you how to do it. This is the maker board. You have to plug the red into VIN and the black into G and D. Don't do it reverse or else it may destroy the maker board. Now it is already working. I will press on the blue. It will show basketball. Now I will press in S. It will show snake. I will press A. It will show exercise. I will press now D and it will show press right. We use Avishkaar website for creating the program. Here is the simple program that I created. You have to save it, compile it and then download it. Programming is fun. After that, you have to burn it to the maker board. Thank you all for watching.